Each propeller consists of multiple curved blades connected to a central hub.
Heavy copper ingots are lifted using overhead cranes for processing. Nickel components are collected and lifted to prepare the alloy mixture. The furnace opens as raw metals are positioned for controlled entry. Raw metals enter the furnace chamber, ready for transformation under controlled heat.
Intense heat softens the metal, gradually breaking down its rigid structure.
Heated metal surfaces fuse together, forming a continuous molten mass. Molten metal forms a fluid surface, with heat-driven motion and gas release creating continuous movement.
The molten alloy spreads evenly, forming a stable liquid ready for controlled transfer.
Molten alloy gathers at the outlet, ready for controlled release into the next stage. Molten alloy reaches the tapping outlet, ready for controlled release. A controlled stream of molten metal flows from the furnace into the transfer channel. Molten metal accumulates inside the ladle, forming a contained high-temperature liquid mass.
Impurities rise to the surface, forming a layer of slag above the molten alloy.
The ladle tilts into position, preparing to pour molten metal into the mold. A full-scale propeller pattern is positioned to form the mold shape. Coarse sand is poured around the pattern to begin forming the mold structure. A steel mold frame secures the packed sand around the propeller pattern. The pattern is removed, leaving a precise cavity in the shape of the propeller. Flow channels are created to guide molten metal evenly through the mold. The ladle tilts forward, preparing to release molten metal into the mold.
A steady stream of molten metal begins flowing into the mold.
Molten metal flows through internal channels, distributing evenly across the mold. The molten alloy fills each blade section, forming the propeller shape inside the mold. Excess molten metal flows into overflow channels, stabilizing pressure inside the mold. The mold is fully filled, and the molten metal begins settling inside. The molten metal begins to settle as initial cooling starts within the mold. Solidification progresses inward as the outer layers cool and harden. The molten metal fully solidifies, forming the raw propeller structure inside the mold. The casting is fully cooled and ready to be revealed from the mold. The solid mold is broken open to reveal the casting inside. Internal sand is removed to expose the full structure of the casting.
The full propeller casting is revealed as surrounding sand is removed.
The raw propeller casting stands fully exposed after mold removal. The raw casting is now ready for cutting and surface refinement.
Excess metal from casting is removed using high-temperature cutting tools.
Removed sections are lifted away, leaving the main structure exposed.
Grinding tools refine the blade shape, removing uneven material from the casting.
Blade edges are shaped to achieve the correct aerodynamic profile.
The propeller shape is now refined, ready for precision machining.
The propeller is positioned for detailed machining and final shaping.
The propeller is mounted and aligned on a CNC system for precision machining. CNC tools remove precise layers of metal to refine the blade surface.
The central hub is drilled to create the shaft connection point.
Multiple CNC operations refine all blades to ensure uniform geometry.
The propeller is fully machined with precise geometry and smooth surfaces. The machined surface is now ready for final polishing and finishing. The machined propeller enters the finishing stage, where surface refinement begins. Grinding removes machining marks, creating a more uniform surface.
Grinding continues across all blades to achieve consistent surface quality. Polishing begins to enhance the surface, increasing smoothness and reflectivity.
The surface develops a high gloss finish as polishing continues. The propeller achieves a smooth, reflective finish, ready for final inspection. The polished surface is now ready for detailed inspection and measurement. The finished propeller enters a controlled inspection environment for precise evaluation.
Laser scanning captures the exact geometry of the blade surface.
Blade angles are checked to ensure proper hydrodynamic performance. The propeller passes inspection, confirming precision and quality. The surface is cleaned as Propeller dreened to ensure proper coating adhesion.
The coating is applied evenly across all blade surfaces for protection.
The coating levels out, forming a smooth, protective layer.
The coating hardens, creating a durable protective layer.
The completed propeller is lifted for transport to the shipyard. The propeller is secured onto a transport platform for delivery. The propeller arrives at the shipyard, ready for installation.
The propeller is carefully aligned with the ship's drive shaft.
The propeller begins to rotate, pushing water to move the ship forward.
The propeller is secured onto the shaft, completing installation.
Powerful rotation drives the ship forward across open water.